welcome and welcome back to another video. So today I'm gonna be doing a couple of things. I'm gonna be making the comfrey oil with y'all that I discussed. Now I'm not gonna be able to do the whole little process with y'all today because I do have to let the oil sit 4 to 6 weeks, so we won't go through the whole process, but I am going to show y'all how I'm starting it off. And if y'all have Comfrey and y'all want to start it off with me, then that'll be a fun, nice little experiment that we can do together. Of course, this is my first time doing this, y'all, so yeah, hey, listen, if y'all decide to do this, do it at your own risk. And the second thing that we're going to discuss is this Vego giveaway. So I want to thank Vego for sponsoring a giveaway for us, for our friends over here that support the channel and people that are interested in getting Vego products. So like I said, the first thing I'm going to do is start this comfrey oil up, and then I'll go into more details about the giveaway, if that's okay with y'all. Now, this may very well be one of the quickest videos that y'all may ever get from me, but that's all right. So I got my organic olive oil. So if you seen my last video, then you know this is the oil that I'll be using. I got my little mason jar, and I have my dried rosemary and my dried comfrey. So this did not take long to dry, y'all. I just tied it up with a twine. I hung it upside down in the house, and I think it took maybe a day and a half for it to do the whole drying process. So it does not take long. And I also have my cheesecloth here. So as I stated, this is going to be very simple because I like the simple things in life. Y'all know that, right? Okay, stay with me. If you like the simple things in life, this is the right video for you. All right, so I'm going to just cut a piece of this cheesecloth off, y'all. So I'm taking it apart to make sure I got enough. And I did a little research to see what's the easiest way to do this, or what's the best way to do this. This is about how much cheesecloth I'm going to have. Now, a cheesecloth is not mandatory. I want to let y'all know that as well. So if y'all don't want to buy cheesecloth, you do not have to buy cheesecloth. You could just put your comfrey and rosemary directly into the oil. But I just decided to get some cheesecloths because why the heck not? And ain't nothing neat about this, y'all. I ain't going to do nothing neat. We're going to roll with it. See what happens. Just simply stuff it in this jar. Now, I am going to take a piece of twine and tie it up just to keep my little things intact and inside. Not too much. And use whatever you got. If you got just a ponytail holder to tie it up with, god doggone it, use a ponytail holder. If you got a rubber band, use a rubber band. You don't have to use what I'm using. So I'm going to tie it up nice and tight, nice and snug. Now, if you don't want to wait the 4 to 6 weeks for this oil to infuse, you can like do a double boiler with the comfrey. But see, I ain't doing all that. I told y'all it may take longer, but I like doing it the easy, simple, quick way. And if you want to add like a little extra scent, you can always use like some essential oils, maybe like some lavender or something like that, and do that. I'm going to actually use this whole bottle of olive oil, okay? And this is 16.9 fluid ounces, so it's like the size of a water bottle. You could add more if you want to add more too, but I don't need more. Even if I did need more, I ain't got more, so we're going to have to use what we got. Now, y'all see how quick and simple that was? I've been recording for like 5 minutes, and some of that time I was talking, but see, that's it, that's all. And we're going to leave this in the house, and like a dry, cool area in the house is always cold in our house, so that's where we're going to leave it at. And I'm going to keep y'all updated on the progress of it. So maybe like a week from now, I'll just give y'all an update to show y'all what it's looking like. It might look the same. It may not. I don't know, y'all. But we're going to see. But, yep, that's it. That's all. And, again, this is just dried comfrey leaves, dried rosemary, olive oil. That's it. That's all. Simple, simple, simple. All right, so let's get down to the nitty gritty now. I'm going to show y'all a couple things that y'all are able to possibly win if y'all enter the giveaway. One of the things is the Vego V series bed. I'm gonna flip the camera around because y'all ain't got to see me. Y'all want to see the product. So this is the Vego V series bed. It will not come with the cover, of course. This cover has to be purchased separately, but it does come with the elevation. So you get an elevated raised garden bed. This is great for somebody that's doing like patio gardening or somebody that has a small space. It does not take up a lot of space. It's a 2 by 4 feet, so it don't take up a whole lot of space, y'all. And for those of you that were on the live yesterday, I wanted to give y'all a quick update too on our seedlings. They don't look raggedy and ran down no more. And it was hot out here. This one right now is looking the best, so I got high hopes for this one. This one right here look a little bit bad. This one look a little iffy. That look a little iffy. And that one look all right. It's just kind of small. So we're going to see what happens with it. Of course, I do plan on moving this cucumber plant, I'm just trying to see which one take off first. So that's how I'm gonna figure out which one I want to remove from this bed. And then of course I added some more lettuce seeds over here. I didn't do that with y'all on live. I actually did that Sunday. And today is Tuesday, just for reference, and I'm starting to get just a little bit of germination from that. So that's exciting. I do have some earthworm castings that I plan on adding to this bed. I did amend the soil, but I was not able to add earthworm castings because I didn't have any at the time. But yeah, that's what I got growing in this V-Series Vego bed. So this is a possibility to win. Okay, now next up is going to be the EZCube. So the EZCube is available to win as well. It will not be this size though, so it'll be half this size. So let's use the pole for reference. This from here to here, that'll be the size. That will be the size that you're eligible to win. And it does not come with the cover, of course, but it does come elevated. It will come elevated. Now, the good thing about the EZCube, because it'll be half the size, it's another thing that's perfect for small spaces, as well as you'll be able to use it indoors or outdoors. I know a few of y'all was saying that y'all can't garden because y'all don't want to do outdoor gardening. Y'all rather do indoor gardening. The good thing about the EZCube, you can garden in or outdoors. So that's a plus. And of course it comes with the little drain handle. You have full control over letting your water out. Now of course you want something to be under there when you're letting your water out, but yeah, you have full control of that. I absolutely love the EZCube. It's self-watering, so it don't take a whole lot to maintain your garden. Even though if you decide to garden indoors, it'll be right there for you to add water to it. But I like the fact that you don't have to continuously add water or continuously water your plants, and it bottom waters. So that's a plus as well. And it just look good. Y'all, the EZCube looks really, really good, and I have had great success with growing things in the EZCube. As y'all can see, our basil looks absolutely amazing. It was looking horrible at one point in time, but now it's thriving. Our shishito plant is still doing its thing. Y'all, hand clap for the shishito plant. Hand clap, because y'all know I had harvest from this plant Sunday. Look at it. Just look at it. It's still thriving and doing its 1-2. And we got more flowers coming in on it. So kudos to our shishito pepper plant. Another thing that you could possibly win, I don't know if y'all seen my video where I did the sponsorship with them for the grow light. It won't be the exact grow light that I have, but it will be a variation of the grow light. The good thing about this, y'all, I do plan on making a post. Well, I ain't gonna say I plan on, I am. I'm gonna make a post, and I'm gonna put pictures of everything that you're able to possibly win. Now, the stipulations with this giveaway, it's gonna go from October the 1st to October the 10th. So y'all will be getting this video, if it's in the Lord's will, y'all gonna get this video today. So sometime this evening y'all will be getting this video, so it'll post a day before the giveaway actually goes live. Y'all don't have a whole lot of time to enter in it, I know that, but I feel like that's a plus. I don't think it should be prolonged and stretched out. You know, just whoever gonna win it, that's who gonna win it. Basically, all you have to do to win the giveaway, you have to, of course, subscribe to my channel. If you have Instagram, follow me over there on Instagram, and also subscribe to Vego's channel. So I'll have Vego's channel link in the description of this video, as well as on the post for the giveaway guidelines. And also follow them on Instagram if you have Instagram. And then it's going to be a simple question that you got to answer. Leave the answer to that question, and that's it. That's all. It's nothing crazy, nothing hard for y'all to do. Very simple. Another thing that I want to mention, I will have a 5% off discount code for that's going to be active until November the 30th. So if y'all interested in buying some Vego products, maybe y'all don't want to enter the giveaway, maybe y'all just want to purchase a few products, feel free to use my code. It'll be Tiffany GA5. I think that's what it is, but it'll be linked in the description as well. For those of you that don't know, yes, my real name is Tiffany. It's not girl with soil. So yeah, I always praise Vego products, and I'm very excited to give y'all an opportunity. Well, for Vego to give y'all an opportunity to experience their products as well. Now, there will be 3 giveaways. I do want to say that. It'll be a giveaway for October, one for November, and one for December. So if you do not win this time, no worries. It's 2 more chances to win before the end of the year, and I'm so excited about that, y'all. And it's almost the holiday season, so that's a plus as well. Now, I will say this, in my next video, I haven't showed y'all this. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all. I want to show y'all something else. I know I was telling y'all that I wanted to start another chaos bed, which I am going to start another chaos bed. I have already added my black cow on top of this, and I do plan on adding some worm castings to this as well. I already got me some fertilizer. I just got a bunch of like different plants under this black cow that I just cut up and just added to this bed to add on extra fertilizer. I do plan on using only the Vego seeds in this bed. So for those of you that don't know, I do have seeds from Vego, which I'm gonna show y'all that in this video as well, so y'all can just see what I'm talking about if y'all are interested in purchasing seeds from Vego. I want to show y'all that. Quick look at this chaos bed that's doing this thing. Yeah, it's a little bit of bug damage, but this thing is growing so quickly. Look at our sunflowers. I just showed y'all this in the last video, and that was on Sunday. Now look at it. Just look. Just look. I think it's safe to say I'm enjoying this chaos gardening. I think it's safe to say that. I mean, hey, things look like they going right for me with it. And even with the little small bug damage, I ain't tripping on that. As y'all can see, I already opened them up because I'm nosy and I wanted to see what's what. It comes with all of the things that are packaged in here. This is a cold season seed kit. So basically, everything that you may want to grow for your cold crops, it's in here. And some of y'all may be thinking, well, I don't want to grow this or I don't want to grow that. They do have other varieties that you're able to choose from, or you could just buy single packs of seeds. So it comes with the instructions on the back of how you need to plant. Also at the bottom, it tells you like the flavor profile of the seed or of the plant. So this is a cabbage. I don't plan on growing no cabbage, y'all, but it does come with cabbage. Just a bunch of little different seeds. Now, I will say this. I do plan on adding, I'm going to show y'all the ones that I plan on adding to our chaos bed. But y'all know how I am. I'm very indecisive, so I could change my mind. But as of right now, this is what I plan on adding. So I'm going to just do 4 different types of seeds because as y'all seen, that bed is not super big. So one of the things I'm going to do some carrots, of course, because I love my carrots. I'm going to do some dinosaur kale, some rainbow Swiss chard, Mizuna greens. I think that's how you say that. So I'm going to do some Mizuna greens. And these are the 4 that's going to be added to that chaos bed. So I'm excited to see how these turn out. And I say I'm going to just add those 4 things, but I think I'm going to add one more thing to kind of help deter pests. Maybe some bunching onions or something like that. But yeah, I think that is it, y'all. I'm excited about this giveaway. I think I'm more excited than y'all are because, like I say, I'm always trying to think of ways to give back to y'all for supporting, you know, the channel, because y'all don't have to be here, but y'all here, and I appreciate y'all for that. I'm so grateful and I'm so thankful. So I appreciate y'all so much for stopping by and tuning in to another video. If y'all plan on entering the giveaway, leave in the comments like, yeah girl, I'm gonna enter. Yes girl, I'm gonna enter. Let me know y'all plan on entering the giveaway. Like I say, keep an eye out for my community post because I'm gonna make a community post. And the giveaway is live as of October 1st through October the 10th. If y'all interested, like I said, in viewing any of Vego products, feel free to click the link in my description. Use my discount code GIRLWITHSOIL10 off for $10 off your purchase, or TiffanyGA5 for 5% off your purchase until November the 30th. So thank y'all so much for tuning in. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And if y'all made it to the end, leave a leaf emoji, since we showing love to our family over at Vego. They ain't even friends no more. We family at this point. Since we showing love to our family over at Vego, y'all leave a leaf emoji. Love y'all, and I'll see y'all in the next video.